Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to download TikTok on iPhone. Now, let's say that TikTok is not showing on App Store because of region restrictions. If you are living in a country that has TikTok banned in it, you have two options. The first option is to simply use a VPN, and the second option is to simply try to change the country or the region on your iPhone, and this will result in changing the country or region in your App Store so that you can easily download any application that is banned on your region. So here in this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the country or region. First, you'll have to open App Store on your iPhone. Then you should click on this icon on the bottom left side, today icon. And now you will have to click on your profile picture on the top right corner. Then click on your name right here. It will ask you for face check or fingerprint. You just have to give it the permission or enter the password. And after that, you should choose country and region. Then here it will show you this option, change country or region. Tap on it. And now you will have to change the country to the country that is actually allowed in it, TikTok or any other application that you want to choose. Here in my case, I'll choose Nepal. After that, it will show me this page. Click on agree on the top right corner. Now click on agree again. Then here it will show you this page. Now we'll have to fill in all this information, but here in my case I don't have a credit card, so I'm gonna click on none right here. Then down below here you should add your address, including the street, city, country, postcode, phone, etc. So now I'm gonna type anything randomly, and after that I'll wait till this next button appear. Then I'm gonna click on next, or simply wait till this number saves and go back and restart your iPhone. And once you restart your iPhone, you should now go back and open the App Store, and here on the bottom right side you have the search icon. Just tap on it, then search for any application that you are looking for. But here in my case we are going to search for TikTok, so I'm gonna search for TikTok, and here you have it. You can simply click on get and get the TikTok on your iPhone. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.